Hey guys, check out our snack bar. It's pretty tight.
Man, I'm hungry. Too bad there's not something conveniently located at the Dorsey Center where we can eat. But wait, there is. There's a new conveniently located snack bar in the Epic lobby.
I think I'm gonna go get some nachos.
Let's go check it. Who said we...
What can I get you guys?
Well, what do you have?
We got slushies, we got nachos, we got candy, we got chips, and we got Red Barns. And soda and Gatorade.
And ice cream bars!
I'll take the extreme slushy with extra extreme.
What do you want?
Guys, seriously, check it out. Woo! Ow!